wingtips. So that's one wingtip there. So they snap in pretty easily and they're quite flexible. So these they're designed to take impact anyway. They'll just need a little bit of covering over the top. They do have one half of the hinge pin for the aileron, and snap lock feature's got a snap lock feature there, and a hook type feature there. Probably should have put the ailerons in while I was doing this, but I think they were still going. Right, that's wingtips. Ailerons. So lower ailerons have control horn down there and a control horn out the back. And just flex them in. So that's I was going to say that's the airframe together, but it's not quite. Battery tray. So the battery tray's got a key slot there and hooks out the back, which sort of hook onto one of the webs on the firewall and stop the engine mount from flexing forward under thrust. So it just hooks in there, well, slides down there, and with a bit of compression it will snap into place. And cowling. So the cowling's 0.7mm thick nylon. It's split through so it can completely come off and expose the entire engine bay, if you will. Yeah. And it's just got little circular clips. And that's it. SLS Printed Pitts Special airframe. Yeah, it's going to take a bit more time to put the entire thing together with batteries and servos, but not a huge amount. Get the battery. So I'm going to use a China hobby line, 100C 1500 milliamp hour, and that'll just slot in into the tray in there. It's all pretty straightforward. I'll put a couple of cross sections of the CAD model up as well, just so you can see them. Oh, I've got a fail in the print there. So another thing I'm working on is print orientation. This one, the photos that are already up there are of the demo model that I've done, and actually a lot of the parts came out better on that one than this one, which is going to be my prototype for flying. So for example, the orientation I used for the rudder, bit of an oversight, but I got that wrong, and then the spring in the wheel doesn't work because it breaks through the Z interface layers in the print. And yeah, trailing edge on the wings isn't tidy on this print, and I've just got a fail in the crack in the wing there. But other than that, it's just a few minor details, and I'll hopefully have it up in a couple of weeks and give a flight report on it. And I'm pretty confident it's going to fly well. Cheers.